To Login CamScanner. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your CamScanner application on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see the home page of CamScanner. So in order to log into your account, you need to first tap on Me option or the Profile option in the right bottom corner. From over here, you'll be able to see Sign In Access, from where you can sign in using your Google, phone or email. You can also go for Account option at the middle section, and you can enter your email or phone number. You can also sign in using your Google. If you have chosen signing for Google, then you need to choose your Gmail account with which you want to sign in to your CamScanner. It will take a few seconds to sign in. Until that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will receive the notification of every videos that we upload. And after a few seconds, you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you log in CamScanner. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.